It's all about thinking bigger, dreaming bigger, and taking 10 times the action you think is necessary to reach your goals. And that's when it hit me. I had been half-assing pretty much everything. I kinda wanted the nice car. I kinda wanted the big house. I kinda wanted to be a millionaire. But that was the problem. You see, success doesn't happen to people who kinda want it. So instead of thinking it would be nice to make $10,000 a month, I told myself, no, I want to make $100,000 a month. And if I wanted to hit $100,000 a month, I needed to take 10 times the action. That means no more wasting time on dumb business model, no more dabbling and quitting after just a few weeks, and no more sitting around waiting for success to magically happen. I had to go all in.